Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to access and manage your billing information in Canva. So how do you find the billing information in Canva? Quick and easy, very simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. As you can see, I'm using dark mode, and dark is just really cool, beautiful, and bold. You might be using all things bright and beautiful, the light mode. All right, so let's hop into this tutorial just to help you relax a little. So how do you access and manage your billing information in Canva? Now, from this interesting homepage that has a lot of things going on in them, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have your account settings. All right, so you can also access them from here. Well, I just like to use this way. Here you have a drop down menu that says settings, get help, just improvement, get Canva apps, reference, better team, privacy policy, and fallout. So go ahead and click on settings. So this is going to take you to your settings window, which of course is here, and head over to the left corner. You're going to find your account, login and security, message preferences, privacy settings, people, billings and plans, purchase history, domain. So go ahead and click on billings and plans. Now, ta-da, this is just it. This is where you can find your billing information. All right, so you have payment method for your team, personnel, and personnel, because I've not added anybody to my team, and if I want to add anybody to my team, it means I have to pay for it. So you can go ahead and click on add the payment method, so you can purchase premium images and vectors from ordinary piece, however. So here you can try, of course, upgrade by clicking on try Canva Pro. Subscribe. Here I'm using free forever. Shamefully or unashamedly. So head over to team billing information for personnel. All right. So add your company name. This will appear in on your invoice whenever you're subscribing, and then billing address. You can add a billing address here, billing contact. All billing related emails will be sent to your email address, and these billing contacts, so just add this. All right, so billing contacts, you can add your email address there. This is tax ID. Enter this information for your tax and stamp compensation to all supported countries are shown. So you can follow this, and then issuing country for your tax. You add your legal company name if you have one, and so this is the name registered under your tax ID, and then of course add your tax ID in here, and so this will appear on your invoice. This is just to make your invoice really authentic, so you can create a new team if you want to. So this is pretty much where you can access, and of course how you can manage your billing information in Canva. You can go back to tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.